Good morning, students. This poem, the second half of the poem for the students of 11th standard. Okay, Everest is not the only peak by Klotungan. Everest is not the only peak. Okay, by Klotungan, the second half of the video. So, throughout the poem, we can see that Klotungan is bringing out, is telling how and what kind of people that Indians are. Okay, indirectly he is telling what kind of people that Indians are. We are proud of the position we hold, humble as we are. Our pride springs from the way we live. Ours is a path of dignity and honor. So, Indian people are proud of the position, the place where we are. We are very proud of what we are. Okay? We Indians are very proud of being an Indians. Okay, like that. Our pride means what? It's a pride means it also refers to proud, being proud. Okay? Our pride springs, just like water springs. Our pride springs from the way we live. We are still known worldwide. Indians are still known worldwide is because of the tradition, the culture that we maintain, giving respect to the elder, giving respect to the guest, and how we treat each other. That is where we stand out as an Indian. So, ours is a path of dignity. What do you mean by dignity? Behavior of respect and honest. Dignity. Dignity means what? Being honest. Your behavior also, you will automatically give them respect because of their dignity. That is what we say, dignity. Our is the path of dignity and honor. Honor means what? Where we gain some respect. A life that knows no kneeling. What kind of life means? A life that knows no kneeling. Understand properly? A life that knows no kneeling and bending. We are proud and feel so tall. We are proud and feel so tall. We feel great. We feel so proud. What kind of life do we live? Is that a life that does not know any bending or kneeling. We do not bow before another person. We do not bow others in order to gain profit, to get some profit. Okay, to get something, we do not bend. We are not that kind of person. We bend and give respect to the only person who has the quality. Okay? That is what these lines are telling. Okay. The last stanza, Everest is not the only peak. Everest is not the only peak. The title gives you lots and lots of meaning. It means that Everest is not the only peak, literally speaking, but according to the poems, what is the Everest is means? Everest has its own height. Likewise, every hillock also, small hill, hillock, a small hill. Every hillock also has its height, has its summit, the highest point of the hill. Okay, the highest point of the hill means this is what we say hill. This is what we say summit. So every small hill has its summit. So it can also boast of its height. Boast means what? To speak proud of oneself. To speak proud of oneself. That is what Every hillock has a summit to boast. Boast means what? Boast means to speak proud of oneself. The height you reach is not that we care. How much ever height you are, how much ever height you reach is not that we care. We do not bother about that. But he who does not stoop, who does not bend in order to gain some profit, in order to expect something, in order to obtain something, one who is bending, we do not respect him at all. We do not respect him. That is what the height you reach is not that we care. He who does not stoop is a king we adore. We respect a person who does not yield, who does not surrender. Stoop means what? To surrender. Okay? He who does not stoop is compared to a king. King means what? Automatically respect. Can he go without respecting a king? Okay, king means we have to respect, isn't it? So likewise, he who does not bend, he who does not stoop. Stoop means what? Bend actually. To yield means to surrender. He who does not surrender is a king we adore. We bow before competence and merit. To whom do we give respect? It's a person who is having skill, a person who is having talent, okay, who is an eminent person, skilled person, a talented person, we salute him, we respect him. Okay, so we bow before competence and merit. Competence means the ability to do something efficiently, a talented person. We bow before competence and merit. The ones that are true and stand on their own, one who can stand on their own, one who does not depend on others and who can stand on their own, one who lifts himself. Honor, one who stand on their own, are really the ladder for the rise of man. Are really the ladder for the rise of man. That is what? Honor is a property. Property means what? In Tamil we say sottu. So honor, respect is a great property. Asset, we say. Common to all. In dignity and pride, no one need to be poor, whether he is poor, rich or whatever it is. But in dignity and pride, we are not at all poor. We are not at all. We are rich in dignity and pride. We do not bend or surrender ourselves. Like that, the poet is talking about the Indian people. We are proud and feel so. Once again, he is completing the poem with these lines that we are proud and feel so. We are proud and we feel so tall. We feel so great in being an Indian. That's all for the video. Thank you. We will see you in the next class.